Hello! Welcome once again to Papa's Fusion Pinoy Cooking. Today we will be cooking an original recipe of Papa's Fusion, which is the spicy lemon lime soda shrimp. If you are new to this channel and you have passion for cooking, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. We will give you the best Filipino and fusion recipes that you can easily cook at home and serve to your family and friends. Okay, let's start cooking! As for our ingredients, we need half kg of shrimp, head on, 10 cloves of garlic, 1 medium-sized onion, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 cup lemon lime soda, 1 green chili, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, salt and pepper to taste. We will also be using vegetable oil to saute the garlic and the onions. First, let us marinate the shrimp into 1/2 cup of lemon lime soda for 10 to 15 minutes. Heat up the pan and add the 2 tablespoons of butter. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to prevent the butter from burning. Saute the onions and the garlics for 2 minutes, then add the green chili. Once the onions are translucent, add the shrimps with lemon lime soda. Add all other ingredients like the salt and pepper, chili powder, and brown sugar. Mix it well. Once the ingredients are incorporated together, add 1/2 cup of lemon lime soda and let it simmer until the sauce thickens and the lemon lime soda caramelized. Presenting Papa's Fusion's original recipe, Spicy Lemon Lime Soda Shrimp. Guys, thank you for watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and press the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we have new videos. See you again on our next video. Bon appetit!